Well, hello once again, my friends. I hope you're doing well. This video is going to be a little bit different as we approach the last days of summer. It's actually, let's see, less than a week. Fall officially starts next week. I think it's next Wednesday. But we're less than a week out for the start of fall. And fall, especially here in New England, means Halloween season. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, and Halloween. And I want to do a little bit of a preview for you guys because I got something really cool for the Halloween build. Those of you guys that are into Disney, you may not be into Disney, Pirates of the Caribbean. I don't necessarily love Pirates of the Caribbean, but when it comes to the ships, I absolutely love their version of the Flying Dutchman. The Flying Dutchman, of course, is the ghost ship. We've seen it everywhere from movies all the way through to SpongeBob. SpongeBob has the Flying Dutchman, which is pretty amusing. And of all, well, I've shown you model kits in the past of the Flying Dutchman as well. And of all the versions of the Flying Dutchman, my favorite by far has to be the one from the Pirates of the Caribbean series from Disney. I just think that ship is so amazing. The cannons with the faces, the broken teeth at the bow section. I mean, it's just amazing. I love that ship. And I've been hoping and praying that they would make a model kit of that ship, and they never did. But I found something recently in regards to that ship. It's sort of a model, and I'm going to present to you the Flying Dutchman. Look at how cool this ship is. I love this ship. And this is the front on view. 3D puzzle of the Flying Dutchman. I guess this is as good as I'm going to get to a model kit of this awesome ship. And I still don't understand why they haven't made a model of this. They got plenty of models when it comes to the Black Pearl, but not the Flying Dutchman, or at least not this version of it. You can see it's got a finished model on the cover, and this is kind of like a cardboard or like a heavy paper, printed paper that's kind of like put onto like a styrofoam backing. You know, kind of like I did a video recently of the Titanic, the 1/600 scale, and it had the base with the background, and it had the little diorama scene, and it had the iceberg. Kind of the same thing. It's kind of that kind of cardboard heavy backing on the thin styrofoam. So this is the Flying Dutchman, and I wanted to give you a little preview of the Halloween build. This actually has green lights that are going to make it glow green after it's built. This is so cool. Let's see. We got LEDs. 360 pieces, and for ages 10 and up, from CubicFun and Pirate Ship Series. And that's the front of the box. You got a really, really cool picture of her. I love this ship. Let's see, what do we got on the sides? Looks like that's in a different language. CubicFun. And you can see made in China. Well, let's take a look at the sides of the box, or the ends. You can see that really cool picture of the ship, and I think it's the same on both sides. Yes. And let's see the other side of the box. CubicFun 3D puzzle of the Flying Dutchman, Pirate Ship Series. Battery usage instructions requires two 1.5 volt AA batteries, not included. For maximum effects, please use fresh batteries. Make sure you insert the batteries with the correct polarities. Remove the batteries when not in use. Replace exhausted batteries at once to avoid possible damage to the kit. Rechargeable batteries should be removed from the kit before recharging. Well, kind of go without saying. Usage of rechargeable batteries requires adult supervision. Do not attempt to recharge non-rechargeable batteries. They're not old, mix old and new batteries. And you can see the rest. And let's see what's on the back of the box. You got a nice depiction of the ship model when it's finished. It's got a stand. I just love the make of this ship. It's so cool. Even right back to the lanterns on the back. Every time we're watching Pirates of the Caribbean, I'm always just like, oh, come on, she's got to come up. She's got to come up. I just love her so much. The effects are awesome. They try to zoom into the faces where the cannons are. Yeah, behind the anchor, you can see starting. You can see all the ghoulish faces. And when it comes up out of the water and the cannons come out, everything is just, the water's running off. And I love this thing. It's just so cool. Again, I don't understand why they never made a model kit of that ship. It shows you some more information. You don't need any tools. You don't need to glue. And it shows you some of the building stages. It shows you the sheets, the basis of the build, the continuation, you make the stand, and the finished model, and it gives the dimensions. It's 23.6 inches high and 9.4 inches, 27.1 inches long. So it's a pretty good size. And it's got some information on the Flying Dutchman, 3D puzzle of the Flying Dutchman pirate ship series. The Dutch were the old masters of the sea before Britannia ruled the waves. The sea was their favorite element, and the struggle of the Flying Dutchman against the angry billows typified their own battles with the powers of old ocean and their determination to conquer at all hazards. So that's the Flying Dutchman, my friends. And this is going to be a really fun Halloween build. Turn her back around. This is going to be really fun. And I hope you enjoyed this little Halloween preview for the Halloween season that's coming up. I hope you guys had a great summer and enjoy summer. There's a few days left. I know there are people out there that love summer. My favorite season is probably fall and winter, so I'm not a summer guy. But I know there are a lot of people that are, and if you are, get out there and enjoy the last days of summer while you can. And for the rest of you, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again really soon with another video.